Hey guys, we've done the play draw now for the 3-box break. Random is live at 7/12/49. Participants. We're going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah. And player draw. Seven times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yoink. And complete, and the team, the playlist is Steve Harrison, Markel Fultz, Harrison Towns, Harrison LeBron, John Deegan Iverson, Andrew Hunt Penny, Andrew Kraft, Elgin Baylor, Eugene Yu, Elijah One, Andrew Hunt Dirk, Jason Aire, Dennis Rodman, John Deegan, George Gervin, Michael Paul, Jerry West, Steve Harrison, Julius Irving, John Deegan, Thon Maker, Nick Power, Clyde Drexler, Deegan, Kevin Love, Marcus Alott, Cousins, Larry Bird, Steve Harrison, Shane Murphy, Ben Simmons, Steve Harrison, Zach Levine, Jamal Murray, Stretch Armstrong, Magic Johnson, Deegan, Porzingis, Hatch, Andrew Wiggins, Steve Harrison, Stephen Curry, Nick Powell, Michael Jordan, John Deegan, Vince Carter, and Lonzo Mourning for spot 27.